So you want to learn the secret to becoming more productive and using your time more effectively? Stay tuned and I'll tell you exactly how to do it in this video. Hey self-helper. So I'm on my way to somewhere right now and I wanted to share with you some tips on how you can improve your productivity and better manage your time. Now the first problem is that most people complain about not having the time to do anything. They have n number of things to do and the important stuff just gets looked over. So how do you combat that? Well, let me tell you, first of all, you don't have a time management problem. You have a self-management problem. You need to understand that if you are going to get anything done, you need to first manage yourself, because each person has a limited amount of time in a day. Each person has just 24 hours. The most successful people around you and in the world are all given 24 hours in a day, 7 days in a week. It's up to you how you want to use your time and what you want to do. And that's really something that sets someone apart who actually manages to achieve. They really know what exactly they need to do with their time. And that's the second thing, which is they know how to value their time, energy and resources properly. They have a certain value that they place on themselves, and they know that their time and energy is limited, because when you look at it, you have only so many things in your life, and among them, time and value that you place on yourself is almost everything. Everyone has limited energy and you can't spend your time doing everything each and every day. So you need to be very focused as to what you want for yourself. You need to know what kind of effort that you're going to be able to put in each and every day. So that's why I always place a high value on my time and my energy, and that systematically translates into everything that I do. So you need to start figuring out how you can use your time more productively by putting more value on yourself and the amount of time that you have, and that's where it comes from. That's how you get more stuff done. Now the third thing is the fact that you are able to assign time to certain things and make a plan. There has to be a system in place for every single thing that you do. If you ever want to get anything done, you need to be able to plan well. There is no one who got anything done without a plan in mind, and it was definitely nothing big can ever be accomplished without a plan. So I have to ask you, do you have a routine? Do you have some kind of system in place where you are able to go in, put in all the effort and energy that you want towards what you want to achieve each and every day? Is there a weekly routine? Is there a monthly routine? Are you recalibrating accordingly based on what you want to see actualize in your life? That's an important question to ask yourself. So assign specific amount of time to specific tasks that you want to accomplish. That's the third thing. Now the fourth thing is your ability to delegate. You need to be able to delegate different tasks to different people. You have only two hands. You have only so much time and energy at your disposal, which is why it is important to delegate your tasks to be done by other people as well. You can't do everything yourself, and that is something that all successful people know really well. They know that they are better off taking off the 1% of maybe 100 people versus just taking 100% effort from themselves. They know that, and that's why they are able to put across different tasks to different people and get it done by them instead of taking everything upon themselves. You cannot manage everything by yourself, and if this is some kind of mental block that you have right now, get over it and start shifting it. You need to be in a position where other people are able to take over a lot of the unimportant tasks that you have in your life. So Start finding out what those particulars are. Find what specific tasks you need to be doing and what you should actually be spending your time on versus doing the unimportant things. Let someone else clean that stuff. Let someone do those menial tasks. What you can do, you should be focusing on that versus doing something that really isn't your cup of tea. That's again, it goes back to having laser-like focus. I am very sure about what I need to do with my time, and that's why I am able to assign and plan and delegate certain things to certain people, and then they get those things done while I focus on what I need to get done. That was the fourth thing. Now, you need to understand that you are someone who is never going to be 100% productive all the time. Nobody can be that amount of productive. Now, let's say you want to earn some money. I want to earn, say, 1,000 rupees in 1 hour. Now, can I earn 1,000 rupees every single hour for 8 hours in a day? Most of us will answer that question with a no. And the fact of the matter is this: you need to triple your productivity for 1 hour if you ever want to actually see consistency. Nobody is 100% productive. I am not 100% productive, and you are never going to be 100% productive with the amount of time you have. So start thinking about how you can go about managing your time in a better fashion by doing this. Triple your productivity. Put in 3 times the effort that you actually have to put in order to get shit done. That is the amount of effort that is truly required if you want to see some degree of consistency in anything that you do. So my aim should be to earn 3,000 in an hour and systematically work my way up from there. I need to have daily goals. I need to have laser-like focus towards achieving what I want. I need to be able to use my dead time. Now, I could probably just sit in this cab and say that, you know, I don't really have the resources required to shoot a video. I don't have the time to do it, but I'm still doing it. You may question the quality of the video, but let me tell you that the way you use your time and your energy is what separates you and someone else who actually gets things done, the one who is able to accomplish things and make stuff happen in their life. So if you are able to, you know, see relevant success, you are going to be someone who can boost their productivity and value their time. So again, each and every second is important. So what are you doing with your time? That is the most important question. So I'll leave you with that. Tell me what you do with your time. I want to know. If you found this video useful, make sure you leave it a thumbs up and tell me what you thought about it down in the comment section below. And tell me what you want to see in future videos, because I am dedicated every single day of the week to empowering you and making you the best version of yourself. So empowering you, motivating you, and performing better in each and every aspect of your life. That is my goal. If this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe, because I am putting out videos every single day to make you the best version of yourself. So if you really want to make some kind of change in your life, watch all my videos. They are all designed to help you out. This is Vikram signing off, and I'll see you in the next session.